Hi everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, we attacked Tesla. Tesla had earnings and the earnings were mixed bag of goods. They beat on the revenue and everything else, but everything else was a disaster. So what I decided to do is I decided to take this trade. So let's get into the Tesla trade. So I already drew the box and got rid of it and everything, but as you can obviously see, going into pre-market, I'll actually draw the box out for your pre-market so that you kind of see it, and then we can run accordingly. So there was the box for Tesla when it opened up, and as you can see here, when Tesla opened up, just outside and just above the box, and quickly, because it had earnings, shot right up, hit a high right there of 280.93. You can see it right there, 280.93, and then it just crashed like crazy. So I went in and took the trade. So right around here inside of the box, took the trade just as soon as it touched it, and it just had a nice, beautiful waterfall trade all the way down. This is Tesla just crapping, and this is institutions unloading, profit taking. Earnings were disappointing. Earnings were disappointing to say the least. So let me come over here and add the, don't need to add it, it's right there. So you see the volume profile right here, and you see what happened. So it was a fantastic move all the way down. Continued to ride it. So you're wondering, where did I get out? I got out right here, 11.16, because this was the test of the low 1, 2, 3 times. So we'll draw that line there for you. $269.46, and then that was it. All right. And then you can see here, Tesla just proceeded to just continue to dump itself. Now it's at 263. What a massive move to the downside. $26 move, down almost 9%. So Tesla will probably end up down 10% on the day just because of earnings. You'll see my profit right there. What I made. You also see the text alert I sent out to my Platinum X Power Option Trader members. For those of you Platinum X members that are watching the end of the day trading recap, this is what it is. For those of you watching on social media, this is what we do at the Platinum X Power Option Trader group. So what a fantastic trade. I mean, if you could have got in anywhere and still been massively profitable. Even if you waited for the institutions to finally take some big positions and take big profits, institutions usually come in around 11, 11:30, 12 o'clock. After they let the morning market madness kind of shift out and shift away, they'll come in and they'll take big positions or take big profits. And you can see here 11.46. This candle range here at $1.65. That's big. That's huge. And then you can see the accordingly the channel off of that Maribozo. That's called a Maribozo candle. This is a Maribozo deep side sell side activity. You can see the channel right there. Let me see if I can. Yep. I gotta move that channel up there a little more because I gotta put it under that candle, but you get the point right there. Look at that movement. If you follow the channel, you'll follow the algorithms, and you know exactly what the algorithms are doing. You know exactly how to trade. So that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoy this trading session. This option I sent it out. I think it was at 160 or whatever. And look at it now, $7.40. Could you imagine? Could you imagine staying in that trade? Can you imagine staying in that option trade and hitting at 775? Can you imagine that? Give me a quick second here. So could you imagine that, staying in that trade at $7.35, so getting out on the high at 775, like right there on that high, on that dragonfly doji, how it closed, even getting out here. Can you imagine that, staying in that trade? Like if you're a day trader and you took the bet to the downside, I mean, you just became an overnight 6-figure, 7-figure income earner if you took a big position. Hedge funds that took big, massive positions on these things, that's profit taken. Those that are shorting Telsa, they just cleaned up. They wouldn't be in a short all day, mind you, but they got healthy positions. So, with that being said, my name is Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.